Alright, so we got done really late in the workshop yesterday. Big day ahead of us today, so got the bad dog Prado sitting over there. I've got to bring him around because we have the VY loaded on the trailer, ready to go, all chocked. I just parked it back there last night. I've just got to load the Prado straight onto that, and then from there we take that up to Maroolin, and we are swapping that VY shell for a running, driving VS Commodore. That's missing a tail shaft right now, but. And then at 5 o'clock we go down to Jaden's workshop and we finish off the giveaway skid car. Get that thing running tonight now that we can get a spigot bearing. Ah, good times ahead, boys, good times ahead. Alright, so we haven't left Canberra yet. We've run into a slight issue. I forgot the camera, so we're filming this on the phone, but the trailer's starting to wobble real good up at 80-90 Ks, and we've got like an hour and a half to go, so we're gonna move it as far forward as we can, take a lot of stuff out of the boot, sit it in the front, because now it has no engine on it. It's fucking no weight in the front and all the way at the back, which is not what you want with a trailer. So we're gonna sort this out, redo the straps and all that, and get it going. Honestly, should have just kept the camera going. That was a quick process. Took 2 minutes. Rolled him right the way forward, and sitting way better on the Prado. I'm gonna see what's in the boot. If there's spare wheels in there, I'm throwing them in the front.
It'll be right. There's a lot of weight to move forward.
Alright, sweet, 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 sweet. Here he is, blokes. Getting her down. Getting her all strapped in. Alright, changing wheels. Oi, Brennan, how good's that bonnet, eh?
Oh, that bonnet. for the daily.
She's a clean rig. There's a couple other cool rigs around. Have a look at this. Ooh, what? So sick. I froth it.
What's up the back?
Bro.
VK pad.
Oh, I've got to look at this.
No way.
Look at that big old shiny boy 202.
Bit of bodywork's going into it, right?
Yeah. That's sick. And then you got the Senator even, not even a clubby. Senator. That's sick.
Couple other shit boxes in here.
Yeah, that's what he said. A couple other shit boxes in here. He's got a Gemini, VS Senator, and a VK Calais. And here's the real shit box. Let's have a look at it, eh? Yeah, shut up, you. It's honestly not a bad rig. Straight swap, all it needs, like it just needs a couple bits to get it running again. He thinks it's blown the head because it was having cooling issues. Other than that, put a tail shaft in it, put some leads on, and the alternator is sitting on the passenger seat. Put that back on with the leads and it'll run and drive. All that swap for the shell, so he had another shell and that's it there. It was stolen and recovered and fucked up, and now he's going to V8 swap that shell. And yeah, this beauty. Yeah, pretty. Oh, he's got a big fatty exhaust, cunt. Look at the exhaust hanging out the arse end of it. It's got a hot dog. It's got a hot dog on the rear and a big like 4-inch tip. It's got king springs in the rear. It's got a welded diff. Yeah, oh hey, Brennan. I was going to show him this. I forgot it had it. If you look in here where I have my GearHeads sticker on mine, read that real quick.
Flick your mullet.
Go on then. Bro, this
thing's clean.
This car's meant for you. It is clean, eh? Look at the roof lining even. You don't see that in a fucking Commodore.
Fuck.
This might be cleaner than your daily, bro.
Honestly, I think it is.
I think it is.
It's cleaner than my one, the one that I picked up.
Bro, guess the Ks.
182,000.
182,000 Ks. Get fucked. Trade you for your skid car.
What? Done. Done. No, done. Done.
I like the pinstripe. That's sick. Just the one, yeah, that's fucking cool. It's a VS. Of course I fucking love it, but
My front bar's cleaner.
forgot to say this, but I love this thing. I think this is like the only bad bit of the car. Little scratch on the sill. And see, that's easy to fix. You can bog that, spray that whole bit, and you'll barely notice it.
Oh, it's only got 3 studs in the rear.
Yeah, no, this is like legit. Exactly how I got it.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll fix her up. It's only got 3 studs on that side. What's the other side? Sick.
5 and 5. 6.
Alright, check how the diff is aligned. Someone's probably smacked a gutter on that side.
It's probably Brennan.
You don't have to cry, man. Look, just go smack a gutter and feel better, alright? No, I'm kidding. I love you, Brendan.
Nah, roll a clip of me doing a sick burnout.
Yeah, ready for... Holy shit,
Alright, now I should do a sick burnout. Alright, back in the trailer up. It's the VS. Get these guys going. You reckon you can do it? You reckon you're right to do it? You reckon you can do it?
Get it done, yeah. Get it done.
Yeah, go left hand down and just follow it through. Yeah, so about there.
The fucking tint on the back windows is so shit, you can't even see out of it. Like you can, but it's like blue.
Yeah, right.
Alright, what are we gonna do now? Throw ramps on?
Put ramps down, put a big hook underneath it and go woo, and pull the winch up. But we got to set the winch up first too. So do that. Alright, we're going up the trailer. Take this, mate. Film your antics.
Oh yeah, nah, look.
Look at me, press a button.
Wait, hold on. This is what I'm fucking doing today. Wait, got this guy on the electrics because I don't want to get zapped.
And I'm here getting zapped because of you.
Alright, ready?
Oh, holy fuck, I just got electrocuted.
Hey, alright. Hang on, leave it there.
Get that on the job.
Yeah. Oh, handbrake works, does it?
Debatable.
Debatable? Yeah, no. All good then.
Ooh, fat daddy. Ah,
What's up?
look at that dish.
That's good.
What's good, what's good, what's goody? VS is loaded, strapped in, and we're pretty much ready to go. Kinos, I'm not going to fit out that gate.
No.
Oh, big spot to you turn down there, no dramas, mate.
Yeah, take him on the skid there.
Easy done.
Oh, fucking look out.
Once it's been sitting here for a while, it's okay. We're set. We got fucking. We're supposed to be back at the workshop in half an hour. That's not gonna happen. Alright, boys. So I made it back from my trip with Brendan, the Prado, and the VS. The new VS are at home. Plans for that VS, I'm going to clean it up and sell it pretty much, just make money off it. That was the whole point of that shell as well. That's the whole point of the trailer. We're going to pick up cheap cars, scrap them, cart them out, making better and selling the rego if we can. But yeah, now we're going to get this engine getting ready to go into the VS, sitting just outside, and hopefully I'll be driving home in this rig today.
Good boy, Jerry. Good boy. Hello.
Sit. Sit down. Tell her to shake.
Shake. Oh, good girl.
There you go, other paw.
Other paw? No, other paw? Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, engine mounts mint. Have a look at this.
Oh, you fucked him, man.
Yeah, that's still good.
I reckon that's good for another few steps.
That's a good bonnet punching engine mount. Every time you get on it.
So you got any caramels?
What the fuck? Wait, where are you? Come show us your car.
Oh, you want to have a look at the car?
Let's go show them the car.
Yeah.
So this isn't the turbo one, is it?
Nah, this one isn't the turbo one. Turbo one's currently still a fabrication. If you don't follow me, Matt, you better fucking put some links or do whatever you can do. But it's on my Instagram. Got a Facebook too, but I don't use Facebook. The new daily.
Shit's fucking pretty.
Got some fleshies.
Fwishies. Tell us why you have the mixed match wheels.
Because I'm too fucking lazy to get the other two painted. That's why. Too lazy. Got the paint at home. I'm not bothered.
Can't be fucked.
It's one of them situations. Can't be fucked.
But yeah, sits pretty, looks nice. Good for a little stock daily.
Stock.
Stock, yeah.
Nah, it's stock. Not doing anything with this one.
Yeah, I swear.
Just putting 50 million different sets of wheels on it. That'll be about it.
Yeah, and lower it a couple more coils.
Yeah. It's already got 2 out of that.
Yeah, more.
Make sure that
Oh, fucking dog. How much room we got at the back there? We'll make it.
I did this. When?
I'll hold him for you, Donnie. He's right. I've got him, bro. It's alright.
See you, Donnie. Good luck.
Okay.
Fuck, take your sunnies off. Alright, good luck, man. Wink, wink.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, it's too good.
Alright, so engine's about to go in. It's pretty well together. We're getting there. Second time lucky, eh?
I don't have good steering at all. I think we're gonna go off a bit more.
Yeah, maybe.
Let the car down. Fuck, I am good, cunt.
He's a good bloke, this bloke. It's almost like he's done this once or twice.
Some could say.
Just be careful with that wiring. Hold on. Yeah, that's almost going to slip straight to the engine. Let's try to come back a bit. But, see, look how much more. Sorry, bro, I didn't mean to do it.
I think that.
How close are we to the box?
Nah, you still probably got that much.
I can lower it down just a tad.
Yeah, there we go. Wait, get a bolt in, get a bolt in.
Oh, is that good? Yeah.
Perfect.
Ooh, that was nice.
Yeah,
boys.
That was probably the most organised thing tonight.
Oh, get actual fuck. Oh, engine mount went in. What about this? Nah, this side. No.
Oh, two out of three.
Because the passenger side's the loose one.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey!
I'll get you, bloke.
Zoom.
She's got like at least 12 psi in that rear end.
Easy.
She tucks down, she's got. Look at that. Boost control, look at that.
Go on.
Die boys are on! Die boys are on!
Yeah, so. We've got a Jaden.
This is a good view of my rear end.
He's inserted himself into the Ecotech. He's currently in 3 different orifices.
To swap the Ecotech, you must become the Ecotech.
The housing bolt's going in. I'm going to jump under the gearbox mount.
Hey. Good. Making progress.
Alright, engine's coming together real well now. She's together pretty well, plumbing her up and whatnot. Get it going good.
Mm-mm.
There it is in the gearbox, all that. We've got to tighten one bell housing bolt, put the Y piece on, and we're pretty well done. It's been a bloody big day, far out, I've got so much to do.
Yeah, look at the colour of the water that comes out of that. Wow.
Yeah mate, gorgeous, beautiful, it's meant to be like that. The water is supposed to contain material. Yep.
Yeah. Sure.
What the fuck that is? Fucking space junk, I don't know.
Hey, what's that?
Yeah, no, that'll do it, boss. It's nearly out of his reach.
Careful, he will fucking.
I can't talk, but.
You're like the same height, aren't you?
Nah, I'm looking.
Oh, big boy, big boy. Wow, never thought I'd see the day. It's an odd sight.
Where are you outside?
Hey, you said the thing.
Let's just hope that
Fuck, I'm good.
Trying to make everything on this better. We just have to get out of this workshop right now.
Yeah.
I'll grab the jump.
Let's just start it first. Alright, big fella.
Fingers crossed. It's not fucking retarded loud. up all that petrol that got squirted. Whoa! Yeah, bud. Bud. He's drifting hard, look at him.
Lincoln corners and shit, you know? Really fuck you. Sorry, mate, I'm fucking hanging here, alright? For some reason.
Look at you.
I'm bloody cheering, mate.
Fucking filthy, but he's happy.
Yeah, but look at the result.
It's worth it.
Worth it.
Shows. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of back leaks.
Just keep an eye on Gypsy somewhere.
Where is she?
Holy fuck, cunt. That's got some torque to it, eh?
I told you, eh?
You don't want the smoke. You don't want it. Whoever's winning this is gonna have a fucking good time.
Yeah.
It's barely running properly and it's already a monster. Couple of rigs coming through.